My name is Simon and I'm the founder of Webhook.site. Today I'm going to show you a new action called Get Requests that allows you to interact with the requests that your Webhook site URL has received. So in this example, we have collected some data on this URL, and it has 3 requests. And we've collected an email and a first name and a last name. So what we want to do is we want to take each of these 3 requests and send them an email. And to do that, we'll use another URL, which we'll use as the runner. So in this example, I'll use the get requests action down here. And all I need to do is I need to take the URL ID from my signup URL, and I can leave the search query field blank because I want all requests, and I can actually just go ahead and click test. So per default, it creates variables for all of the requests that were received. But in this case, we want to run an action for each item that was received. So in order to do this, we check the repeat checkbox and we just create the action. Okay, so let's test that, see how it looks. So in this case, we can see that there's some variables that's been created for one of the requests, and we can use that to see what kind of data is available to us. And in this case, we can see this the form data that we need down here. So let's go back and create a send email action. And in this case, we'll just write Webhook.site newsletter. And as the recipient, we can just take the email variable. Whoops. There we go. And we'll use this as the subject and say first, something like that. And let's go ahead and click test and see how that looks. So we can see that it has repeated the action 3 times, once per request, and as a result, it sent 3 emails with a newsletter. I can create this, and there's a little blue marking here that shows that this action is repeated for each time this action finds a request. So that's it. That's the get request action. Thanks for watching.